Looney bird? Looney bird? Looney bird? I'd like to talk to you. I'm sorry I fussed at you a little while ago, Looney bird. I'm only human, you know. Please talk to me. You know you're my best friend, Looney bird. I promise I'll never yell at you again if you talk to me, Looney bird. Please say you'll forgive me.
I forgive you, Betty Bob.
You do?
Sure. You're my best friend.
I am?
Yeah. That's why I was teasing with you.
Oh, Looney bird, that...
What's that noise? I don't know. Sounds like feedback. Can't be feedback. Microphones aren't on. Microphone's not on, is it? Looney Bird, check your microphone. See if it's on. Okay, Betty Bob. Betty Bob, it's on.
Oh, no.
Why are you gonna look stupid when your curtain's open? I'll be in my house.
No, now you come back here, Looney bird. Don't leave me out here alone. Oh. Hi, folks. I guess y'all are kind of wondering what's going on, and that is to say, in as much as I'm gonna take a break, okay? I hear the telephone ring. I gotta go.